So this video is going to teach you all about pictograms. So we're looking at a pictogram. It tells us about the mean hours, that's the average number of hours of sunshine in June, in 3 locations: Finborough, Gamby, Beatertown and Alphaville. Now we've got a key over here that's really important to understand. It tells me that one of the sunshines equals 2 hours. So if one of the sunshines equals 2 hours, it's not well drawn there, but let's take it to be a complete sunshine. If one of them is worth 2 hours, then the average hours of sunshine in June at Finborough is simply 2 hours. Now at Gamby we've got 3 sunshines, so if each one's worth 2, 3 2s are 6, so we've got 6 hours of sunshine. At Beatertown we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sun symbols, that gives me 10 hours. And finally at Alphaville we've got 1, 2, 3 and a half, so that's 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours and 1 hour. Half of 2 hours is 1 hour, so that comes to 7 hours. Now you might be asked a question about how much more sunshine do they get on average at Beatertown than Alphaville. So if you look, you've got 2 extra sunshines, or against a half. So you've actually got 1.5 more sunshines than you had at Alphaville, and half a sunshine is worth 1 and the extra bit is 2, so that's 3 altogether. So here's a pictogram that's showing, so if we can, a pictogram that shows the number of goals scored in 15 football matches. And again, the football represents 2 matches. So just about see this, I'm like this: 1 goal, 2 goal, 3 goal. Actually, I'll go back, that's not quite right. It should have been 0 goals, 1 goal, 2 goal, 3 goal and 4 goals. Okay, so how many games were there with no goals? Well, no goals, there's 1.5 footballs, so that will be 3 games. And the same for 1 goal. There was just 1 football representing 2 goals, so that's 2 matches where there were 2 goals. For 3 goals, we've got 2, 4 and 5 goals, and finally we've got 2 goals again for 4 goals. So how many matches were there in total? 15, so we need to check that our numbers do add up to 15. 3 and 3 is 6, 2 is 8, 5 is 13 and 2 is 15. So finally we're going to look at the colour of cars, and again we're going to work out how many of each car there were. So once again the key is telling me that a picture represents 2 cars. 1 car stands for 2 cars. So the reds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. 5.5 times 2 is 11. The blues, 1, 2, or 2, 4 and 5. That's 5. The greens, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. 4 times 2 is 8. Black cars, we've got 2, which is 4. A half gives us 1, and finally 3.5 will give us 7. So there's 3 quick examples on pictograms.